Hi, welcome to Big Ticket Site, the all-new software that lets you get your own fully automated big ticket affiliate site that lets you cash in those big ticket affiliate offers for payouts of possibly thousands of dollars per month in just a handful of conversions. So let's get started. Okay, so let's click on the site creation tool here and let me show you exactly how easy it is to get started and get your own fully automated, incredible looking website set up and running in just 30 seconds. Now, the first thing we need to do is choose a category. Now, we've got a bunch of different categories here, and these are the categories that we find have got the biggest payouts in all of the internet. So as an affiliate marketer, if you stick to one of these categories, you're sure to have huge payouts for each conversion if you find the right offers. Incidentally, we have included a bunch of different offers in the software all ready to go for you, and you'll see exactly how this works when we set up the website. But just to show you what's possible here, here's are the payouts that happen on each conversion. So for just one conversion, for example, here you get $2,000, $1,000, $1,500, $500 plus 10% recurring, $1,000, 60% recurring commissions. So with this one, it means that 60% of anything that anyone spends to your affiliate link over their lifetime, you get that. So with that being said, these are some of the offers that are available for a site. So let's go ahead and create a site. So in this one, I'm going to choose crypto. I'm going to give my site a name. I'm going to call it Crypto News. And we also have to define a route. So this is just basically where your site's going to be accessible from. I'll show you how that works in a second, but don't worry, you can use your own domain. We fully support using your own domain, and I'll show you that in a second. This is just for us to get this set up so I can show you straight away. So I'll go ahead and create a site. Now, I'm not going to skip ahead. This is going to run in real time. So within 30 seconds, we are going to have our own incredible site. So you can see our site's been created, and now it's just generating some content. So the content is all generated for you automatically. So you see there, our site has been done, and then we can go click here as our site, view our site, bam, look at that. A completely done for you site, set up with our name at our chosen route here. Again, we can replace that with our own domain. I'll show you how to do that in a second. With ads for a great high paying offer related to your niche, done for you. All of these posts done for you with images, everything looks amazing. Okay, so now our site's set up and running. Let me show you how easy it is to actually start making money and getting those big ticket commissions. So we would go to our site in here, click banner ads, and you can see here we've got a bunch of different offers available for each different niche. So in this one, you can find out the details about how much each of them pay, and all you need to do is choose which offers you want to use. Say I wanted to use this Binance one here. This is what's been selected for us by default, but to make these actually work, you would just type your affiliate link in here. So actually you would just copy and paste it. So all you need to do is you click the apply link here, then a little form will come up that you need to fill out or something like this, and then once you submit that form, you get approved. And we have tested this, and yes, your big ticket sites will get approved for all of these. You get your affiliate link, you paste it in there for each of the different offers, and then boom, just like that, you're ready to go. And then when you click on any of these, you will, if any of your visitors, clicks on any of these, you will then get full credit for any conversions coming from them. So if I wanted to mix and match these a bit, I can do that. So say I just want to use this Coinbase one and replace that one, I can do that, or I can change all of them. Just like that, so simple, so easy to use. Maybe I want to change them all back. We can do that with just a few clicks. And that's it, you're up and running with a fully done for you site with posts created for you, more posts being generated each week, advertisements done for the big ticket offers, just like that. In under a minute, we've got a fantastic, fully done for you, monetized site for big ticket affiliate offers, possibly earning us thousands of dollars in recurring income with just a handful of conversions. And it's not only banner ads that you can make big ticket conversions with your site. If we go and have a look at the posts here, you can see that we can turn auto posting on or off, and occasionally we can get review posts. So you'll see here a review has been made on top of our normal content posts. So if we go back to our site and refresh the page here, you see a new review has been made, complete review for the Coinbase service that we're promoting on our app, with a buy link inserted with your affiliate link, so that you can get big ticket affiliate commissions from your review posts too. All of these posts are fully editable for you, so you can open up any of these and you can edit all of these posts as much as you want. You can add any images you want. This is just a full visual editor, so you can do basically anything you want with it. It's basically like having your fully own WordPress blog, but without paying any hosting costs or anything at all. There are zero monthly costs when it comes to big ticket site. No paying for AI to generate your content, no paying for hosting costs, no paying for developers. If anything goes wrong with your blog, everything is done for you. So in addition to being able to change the posts how we want it, we've got full control over the site itself. So if we wanted to, we could add a tagline here, or the latest crypto news and reviews. And then if we can just update the site like this, and then we go back to our homepage, you can see it's been added. You'll notice that, it's not very visible, so let's fix that. Let's change the color of the title and the tagline to white, and then update the site settings. Okay, and then we refresh the page. You can see that's been done. And if we want to, we can choose a logo. So I'll just use the big ticket site logo itself. Obviously, in your case, you would use an image that was more relevant to your site, so you can add a logo in for your site like that. We've also got a bunch of different themes for our site, so we could have it dark if we wanted to. So instead of it being this light color, if we refresh the page, we can have it dark, you see. I've got a crypto related site, so I'm going to make mine gold. And then if we refresh the page, you can see we've got the gold theme there. So we've got a bunch of different themes. You've already seen how you can change the colors of that. You can also, we've got a bunch of different default images here. I'm going to choose that one. There we go. So yeah, you've got, so basically the idea is with big ticket site is that you've got full control. Yes, you can get a site set up and making you big ticket commissions in just literally a couple of minutes by just generating your site and pasting in a couple of affiliate IDs. Or you can go into it further and you can really customize the site how you want it. And you can go even further. As well as posts, we also have the ability to create pages. So for example, you might want to create, say, a contact us page or about us page. So I'll not do the whole thing here, I'll just show you how it works. So contact details. And you can make these pages whatever you want. Again, it's a full visual editor, so you can add images, etc., etc., etc. And then if we refresh the page, you can see that our contact us page has been created for us here. Oh, I also should mention at this point that if you want to, you can create all new posts yourself, so you don't have to rely on the AI generated posts if you don't want to. In fact, you can turn off AI generating posts just like that and just have your own blog that you create all the posts for. Remember, this is basically just the same as having your own WordPress site, but without paying for it. And something else I'll just quickly mention is widgets. So widgets are basically a way for you to enter your own custom HTML, and the most useful thing that I can think of for most people with this is creating opt-in forms. So if I create a new widget called opt-in form there, and then I'll have the location. So locations appear at various places. This one's going to be done sidebar top, so we can have it in there. But we've got a bunch of other locations for you to choose from, so you can have it appear basically anywhere you want on your site. And I'm just going to copy in some HTML from my autoresponder service. And this is just for a very basic form, just to show you. I haven't really gone into styling it or anything like that, so I'm not exactly sure what it's going to look like. But if we do refresh the page here, you can see that I've added my opt-in form, and that works with all different autoresponder services, Aweber, GetResponse, anything that you want. You just kind of copy and paste your opt-in form in like that, and you can create as many different widgets as you want, and you can then go and edit them. So maybe I want to change the location to the bottom of the sidebar. I can do that like that, and we just refresh a bit. There we go. Once again, you're in full control with Big Ticket Site. Now, I saved what I think is one of the best and coolest features till last: domains. With Big Ticket Site, instead of relying on the route that you put, so instead of accessing the site through bigticketsite.app/route, so if you remember in the site creation we had a route. Instead of doing that, you can use your own custom domain instead. To do that, we go to domains, and then we simply type in the domain. So if I wanted, suppose for example that I'd bought cryptonews.com, I could then just type in cryptonews.com, add the domain, and then all I would need to do is go into the whoever I've bought the domain with. So for example, somebody like Namecheap or Monica, wherever you bought the domain from, point it at this server. And don't worry about this if this sounds complicated. We've got full tutorials, full video tutorials on everything. They're available here, and it'll talk you through all the different steps. But really, honestly, this is very, very easy. And then once the domain name is pointing at this server address here, we just click verify, and then anytime anyone enters the domain that you've entered, time anyone enters this in here, they would then have access to your site. It works literally just like that. So all you need to do is type any domain that you have, or buy a new domain if you want a new one, paste it in here, and you're good to go. You can then access your site fully from your own domain. No need to add any scripts anywhere, no need for you to have any of your own hosting. It all works. And on top of that, we take care of HTTPS for you. So our system does it all. So you don't need to buy any security certificates, anything like that. All you need to do, literally all you need to do, is enter your domain in here, spend a minute or two pointing your domain at our server, which we've got full tutorial showing you how to do that. It literally just takes 30 seconds. Click verify, and then it will work, and you'll have full access to your site through your own domain. And you can add as many different domains as you want. So if you want to have many different domains accessing your site, you can do that too.